Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP numbers section. This is Modulo. PHP also provides an operator that might be less familiar, modulo. The modulo operator returns the remainder after the left operand is divided by the right operand. Here we have echo. 7 modulo 3 would print 1. In the code above, 7 modulo 3 returns 1. Why? We're trying to fit 3 into 7 as many times as we can. 3 fits into 7 at most twice. What's left over, the remainder, is 1, since 7 minus 6 is 1. Here we have an example, and here's the remainder. The modulo operator will convert its operands to integers before performing the operation. This means 7.9 modulus 3.8 will perform the same calculation as 7 modulo 3. Both operations will return 1. Let's look at another example of the modulo operator in action. Here we have num cookies is assigned 27, cookies per serving is assigned 4, leftover cookies is assigned num cookies, modulo cookies per serving. If we zoom out, we can see that better. And then we echo leftover cookies, which prints 3. Let's practice using modulo. Our instructions say we have 82 students going on a class trip. We want to divide the students into groups of 6. Use the modulo operator to echo how many students will be left without groups. Let's do that here. Let's run that. And we do pass and we get 4, which tells us 4 students will be left without groups. So what we're learning here, modulo, is just another operator and it returns the remainder after the left operand is divided by the right operand. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting modulo, and I'll see you in the next lesson.